To arrange my mess of the cables, what I have here, I bought two of this LogiLink Cable Box Large, and I'm planning to also change my power strips because I bought new ones which are much more smaller than those in order to fit in this box. So yeah, I will unbox it in a few moments. With the magic of editing, I will cut this nylon here and open the box to see what it's in it. And the magic of editing now. So yeah, I managed to remove the nylon over it, and it seems that I'm still having something to remove. Yeah, and it will also have something inside. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, I will remove this, and this I'm not sponsored by LogiLink by any way, but anyway. So let's see what it's inside and how it looks. Yeah, so we have a cable here, probably to wrap up some cables, and this is the cable box. This is the cable box, which is black in order to match up my desk. It's black with some red here, and this is it. So yeah, it seems that the cable it seems that the box it's made of plastic. It's very flimsy, I believe. If I drop it, it will break for sure. Yeah, so this is the cable box, and this is it. So the box dimension is 407, 157 and 133.5 millimeters. It's good that we could store the cables. Is dust proof? I don't know, we will see. Flame retardant, is good that it's flame retardant, but I also don't know yet. We will see. So yeah, this is my home office, and I'm planning to rearrange it, and I will put the cable boxes that I already bought along with two new power strips, which are smaller than those, on the table, because I have a small toddler and I don't want to put it under the desk because he will mess with the cables and probably get electrocuted, which is not what I want. So yeah, I will rearrange my desktop in quite a few moments. Let's hope that I will get rid of those cables along with this laptop cooling pad, and it will be much nicer than this. It will be much nicer, and also I will clean my mess because it's pretty dirty, this mouse pad, and I'll close this.